Hi guys, so the kids are asleep. I'm going to pick up my husband because he's outside working again. It's already past 12 midnight. And okay, this is what's going on. So he's been doing this in the past few weeks. He sleeps around 12 or 1 because he works on his bee frames for his beehives. And he does that when the kids are already asleep. So kids sleeps like 10, 11. So after that he run away and work outside. It's outside. My God, it's so cold. It's still negative at night. It's still very cold. So, but he's doing it. So I'm happy that he's hardworking and he's doing it for a family. He only does that when the kids are already asleep, so he don't compromise the time with kids. But then I feel sad at the same time because he don't get enough rest. He's working hard for our family, so if only, he don't need to do these things, but what to do? He likes doing it anyway. He loves his bees a lot. This is his dream, his passion, and I hope all of these sacrifices will fruit later. This year is a bad year, I think, for the weather is not really good, and it's not good for his bees, but still he's pushing and making his dreams come true. So I'm supporting him. At the same time I'm worried and I feel concerned. Not really concerned, but I just want him to rest. And he wakes up at 4:30 in the morning. We wake up at 4:30 every morning. He drinks coffee. After that, he does the beehive work again. Because at 6:20 a.m. he goes to work. He leaves for work, and he works during the daytime, and then come home, play with the kids, help with the house when all the kids are asleep. Then it's his time to work again. So he only sleeps very short time every day. It's like 4 hours maximum. So and he does hard physical jobs. So but I'm so proud of him. I'm super proud of him. He's my pride. And no drama. I'm just, my God, it's been going on for many days already, so I need to pick him up now. Okay, so let's go. Oh, by the way, I'm filming because I'm gonna keep this memory, and when we look back in the future, if ever we get successful with beekeeping, then this is something it's nice to look forward, how it all started, how he works hard for this. And let's go. All right, he's in there inside. This is outside. This is his workspace. He saw me. He saw me. I'm coming. Daddy. Hey, it's time to sleep. Yo, Daddy. No, let's go. So cold here. My God. So late. So, can you show me what you're doing?
I put the iron in my frames for this.
Okay, enough for today. How many still you need to do?
Few. Oh.
Enough, Daddy.
Poor Daddy.
Oh my God. That's why he's working outside, because he need to do this. I'm wearing my robe. Just put my jackets too. Very, very cold. My God.
Yeah, Daddy, yes.
Oh, Daddy, let's go now. Continue again tomorrow.
There's no tomorrow.
Yoy, yoy, yoy. Oh my god, so cold. It's a messy space he got here because we put things here. So I'll show you something. This is a beehive. So one layer, another layer. So what my husband is doing is the bee frames. This one. This is the one finished. Oh, wow. Oh, bravo, Daddy. Yay, Dosta. Enough for tonight. And he wakes up again. He wakes up again tomorrow early morning. He do works again and this bee thing before he goes to work. He goes to work at 6:20 a.m. Yo, Daddy.
Good.
His love for bees, my God.
I don't have time.
Oh my God.
Pa.
Daddy, let's go.
Family, everything for me.
It's okay. Enough for now.
Yeah. Just it.
Oh my God, it's so late. It's already morning. Come on, let's go. Daddy.
Now they know what we're doing. I'm just picture the diet.
Let's go. Oh my God, it's hard to convince this guy. He's saying there's no other time. Oh my God. She's telling me to go to sleep. He's in a hurry because he needs to work on his bees. What's the explanation, Daddy? Because the bees are multiplying in number very fast, and tomorrow it's sunny, so he needs to do it when it's sunny. He needs to open the hives when it's sunny because it's very bad weather until now.
And if I don't do that, they will swarm and say Papa Slaven.
Okay. He's doing it because if he... the bees will fly away if he don't make houses for them. They will find their own space.
No space here, let's find other space.
That's right.
Slaven is too late making this frame. While we wait, Slaven.
He's making his own frames. He's not buying. So he's working on it. It's a DIY.
It's a mistake.
It's a DIY.
DIY mistake. DIY mistake.
He's doing a DIY. It's too expensive to buy this thing, my God. Okay. He convinced me to just go. Because... What happened? The light became brighter.
Someone go to sleep with neighbors.
Yeah, he's saying like neighbors go to sleep because our network now, our electricity now is getting brighter and better, so everyone's asleep. So I really need to give him time because he's catching up on his bee. So what to do? This is life. What God willing. Hope everything will be good. Okay, Daddy, ciao.
Ciao.